Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first task in ClickUp. A task is the basic unit of work in ClickUp. Creating tasks allows you to organize, assign, and track your work efficiently. Launch open your ClickUp application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into ClickUp, from the home page of ClickUp, go ahead and select to the list where you want to create your task. Go to the tab under My List and select your list. Now on the next page, go ahead and tap on Add New Task. Now, enter the name for your task and then you can also describe your task in the description box. After you are done with the description, click on Add Assignees. Select the contact of your teammates or yourself to assign the task to. After choosing the assignee, go ahead and get back. Click on the Set Dates option to set the date or the deadline for the task. After setting a deadline from the calendar, click on Done at the bottom right. You can also tap on Add Time to select the time you want the task to finish on. And if you want to add this task as a recurring, you can also tap on Add Recurring and select the recurring time. Finally, after you are done, click on the Done button at the bottom right corner. After you tap on Create, you will then be able to create your task in ClickUp. From here, you can start organizing your workflow, assign tasks to teammates, and manage projects efficiently. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will then be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.